Ano, okay lang kayo? Kumusta? Hindi naman nagbabasa inyo, ah. Ay, Will! Dito si Will. Ano na, bro? Napa-live lang. Kamusta kayo dyan sa Etivac? Hello? No, ano lang ako. Chat na lang ako. Anong gawa mo, bro? Hello? Oh, I know someone who's watching. Would you co-host with me? Para sa mga... Hey! Tara guys, ano tayo? Q&A. Kung tayo ay Apple! Thank you sa hello sa akin sa airport. Grabe yung mga taga-Tagum. Sobra kami nag-enjoy. Kaya di na kami nakanood ng All-Star Games, sayang. Hi ka bro, if you wanna say hi.
Do your thing.
Sino ba pwede ko invite? Oh, si... Hindi naman co-host. Pwede. Wala nang voice lang, voice. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong mundo ay puputi na rin. Thank you. Oh, di ba? She joined. Oh yeah, guys. Hello?
Hi. Can you hear me?
I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
What's Kira?
I can hear you.
It's Kira. Hi.
Kamusta? Kau talaga, sabi ko ayoko eh.
Sabi daw ni Paolo, hi. I'm with Paolo.
Hi, Paolo. Kamusta ka?
Kamusta kayo dyan?
Okay naman. Eto, bored din.
Bored din. Kami
Oo.
Yeah, we're got nothing to do. Bagyo eh.
Oo nga eh.
Ang lakas ng ulan dito.
Dito din, it's been raining the whole day.
Whole day. Grabe. Nakano lang ako. What are you up to?
Watching you.
You're watching me?
I'm watching you.
Ikaw
Right
ba?
now.
Ikaw ba to?
Ay, bastos ka talaga, no? Bastos ka, buisit.
That's how you do it. Oh, there's us. Ay, wow, naka-black.
Patingin.
Ano pa dito? No, I'll choose a good photo para hindi ka magalit sa akin.
Okay, good. Isa
Or
pa,
pwede-
isa pa.
I can't show this photo. What do you think the photo I saw?
I have no idea, bro.
Ito siya, Kira Ballinger.
It's a picture of me?
Yeah. And ito yung nag-fast talk ko. Tapos, oh, Aww.
Fast talk. Naka-red ba ako doon? Oo, no?
Memories
Yata.
bring back memories.
Oh, Shakira! I miss Charlie.
Kira, open cam ka daw, oh.
Ayoko,
Tapos he's in
bakla.
bed.
No, I'm not in bed. I'm not presentable right now.
That's
Ikaw,
why we're
naka-hat ka, naka-jacket ka,
Hindi ako
forma ka.
Nakasando lang ako, tapos naka-jacket. Tapos, ayun, oh. I'm just wearing a hat kasi yung gulo ng hair ko.
Buti ka pa, may hat. Ay, wait lang. Wait lang. No, I have a hat too. Do you know what hat that is?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Wait.
Wait. Ayoko mabasa. Ay, akala sa mga kita eh.
Wait.
Nathan, bro, what's up?
Ayan na. And nag-open cam na ako. Yes! Swag! Oh, someone wants to say hi.
Aww.
Bella, look!
Chile, oh.
Say hi! Oh my god, and the other one's here. Hi, Maddie!
I've got one too. Hey, come here. Hey! Oh, hey!
Oh, good boy!
Good boy. Ay, no.
Oh, Pao, what a good boy. No, I'm kidding.
Oo. Is that Bella?
Yes, this one's Bella.
How old is she now?
Ano?
How old is she now?
She's turning 3 October.
Oh, she's a big girl.
Yes.
Wala akong
Oh my god, wait, no, it's Maddie's birthday tomorrow.
We did.
I almost forgot. Oh my god. What kind of mother are you?
Ala. I think Bumpers, yeah. Having his birthday.
Wait lang, I'll off my cam na. Oh my god.
Why?
Yoko.
Nakahat naman tayong dalawa. Pwede ko ba rin yung off cam ko dito? Ay, hindi. Paano ko ba yung off? Ganyan?
Wag. Sayang naman get up mo.
Hindi nga, ready na ako.
Siya. Sige na. I'll go down na.
Oh, wait lang. Kailangan may exit song ka.
Exit song.
Oo, ganyan yung live ko. Kasi yung live ko kailangan random.
Okay.
Alam mo na to? Oh, shit.
Oh my god, no. Josh, no. Ang tagal na. Yun talaga fave mo, no?
Magaling naman eh. Ano, let's do
Ano?
Let's do our song.
Yeah, sige.
Ay, live pala to, no? Kala ko video chat. Let's do our song.
Not now, though.
Oh yeah, not now.
No.
Oh, no.
Yun talaga favorite mo. Oh my goodness.
Palakpakan naman tayo, bro.
Thank you.
Are you going na?
Yeah.
Why?
So you can live in peace.
Masaya naman yung live pag nandito ka.
Totoo ba? Di ba ako nakakaabala?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Ganyan kadami.
So, can I abala you? Ganon. Ayan na, may nagsend ng teddy bear. Aww.
You're giving me stuff, bro. Gagawa ko ng TikTok. Para ba ma-bad trip kayo?
Bakit?
Yung TikTok na yung you know this audio, wait. You have the...
I'm trying to be myself.
Paano ba yung yun? Amit powder lang. Nandito yun. Do you know this audio?
Party in the backyard. Oh yeah, I know that song.
Yeah!
Do it. Oh, ayan na siya. Oh, pa.
Nag-Gina.
Oh, shit.
Promote mo yung TikTok mo kung gusto mo.
Huh?
Guys, follow my friend daw.
Oh, yeah. If you guys want to see Josh,
Go, come here, bro. Say hi.
hello guys. If you guys want to see Josh, unfiltered, check my TikTok.
You have to say TikTok.
Unfiltered, huh?
Have I not show you the TikTok? Here, have you seen this video?
Don't show it.
No, I remember you showed me one, yung gawa niya. Tama ba?
Have you seen this?
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Hey!
Again.
Ay, pakita ko rin, bro. Pakita ko yan.
Wag.
Hello, everybody. Sana okay lang kayo and safe. Enjoy lang kayo, ha. Ingat kayo. Buti hindi lang pila.
Ha?
Buti hindi lang bahasin.
Asan daw yung love team na LQ?
What do you mean by that, no?
LQ!
Lovers quarrel.
Yeah. It's so funny.
Ano ka ba? Kish ka ba or kiss?
I think Team Kiz. Sorry.
Ako, Jora ako eh. Team Jora ako.
Okay, edi Jora ka. Now I saw this comment. Great Wall of Jora daw kayo. Nakakatawa.
The Great Wall of Jora. No. Bakod. Bakit
Yes.
kaya?
Ginalingan nyo kasi mambakod eh.
Chill lang. Wala namang kami ginagawang bakod.
Buwa talaga ba?
Wala.
Okay. Sabi mo eh.
Pinapa-on cam kanila, oh.
Ayoko. Guys, haggard ako. Wag, please.
Guys, thank you for all the gifts.
Aww.
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 Wait a second.
Salamat.
To, paano ka daw magselo?
Siloso ba ako?
Oh, di ba? Sobra.
Nilaglag tuloy.
Tuloy ako. Naiyak pa si Paolo eh. Hi ka lang, bro, sa mga...
I don't want to take the attention of
Hello po
Josh,
sa lahat. Wow! Hello po sa lahat na nanonood. Hindi naman ako siloso. Matawag schedule lang.
Medyo.
Hindi. Chill lang ako. Sorry.
Totoo ba yan, Pao?
No.
No?
Okay naman maging mas...
Oo nga, okay naman wala namang problema sa pag nagsiselos, di ba? It's normal. Pero there's an extent.
Pero si Kira,
Ano mo?
Kira, are you seloso ba?
Hindi.
Wow!
Promise. Ano?
Ano sabi mo?
Hindi nga.
I don't know why both of you guys are lying, bro.
Hindi daw siya selosa.
Hindi nga.
Medyo lang, ganyan lang.
Medyo lang.
Depende.
On what?
Basta. Malalaman mo din sa takdang panahon.
Hey, I'm getting new followers. Thank you, guys.
Yay.
Parang gusto ko magano. Ano pwedeng gawin? What do you want me to search? Or what music do you want?
Ooh, I found a really, really good song a while ago. Ay, dapat... Oops. Dapat pala di ko sinabi dito. Ayan tuloy. I was gonna gatekeep it. Ay, nako. Kalimutan ko live pala tayo.
Di ba parang naka-video lang tayo?
Oo.
But, oh, I'll play a song you like.
Wait. Can you just like sit down? Kasi Josh isn't there.
Wait lang.
Ano to?
Woo! That's my song. Oh. Ayan, pak.
Where's that good though?
Her hair is hollow gold. Yes.
Wait, picture mo ako kuyari Instagram.
Ano, screenshot? Ano to? O, sige. O, yan, kayong dalawa naman. O, sige, go. 1, 2, 3. Ay, gumalaw si ano. Wait. O, ayan. Mga
Guys,
tricks
it's my
nyo?
friend by the way, Paolo. Hello. Hello, guys.
Wow,
And
grabe daming views, ha?
the girl I'm talking to, this is Kira. Kira, you should say hi.
Hi.
Wow, sweet girl. Hello. Hey, man. Hello, guys. Ano ba yung mga tanong? Di ba to girls, pag binibigyan sila ng flowers, gusto nila, ano ba yung mga gusto nating mga lalaki? Di ba to girls, we give them flowers? Sa tingin mo, ano dapat yung binibigay sa guys?
Pagkain.
Pagkain, oh.
Pagkain. Totoo.
Totoo yan.
Yeah.
So, naman naman, ice cream.
Miski ano lang.
Ice cream, mapapangiti nyo na ako.
Nandiyan naman ice
Sapatos! Oo, sapatos. Huwag ko nagsabi.
Sapatos. Gusto mo ng sapatos?
Oh, you know what? Wala ka naman sakit ngayon.
Ako? I'm feeling better now.
You were sick, di ba?
Yeah,
Drink water. And,
I did. No, I took meds and then I took Pepakwa syrup.
Pepakwa?
Yes. It's like this herbal syrup. It's really good. No promo. Oops.
Oh, what's the song you...
I don't know.
What's the song you're playing after PBB?
Oh. This one? Dude, I get trauma from this eh. Yung babay song namin.
Yung paalam muna sandali. Oh my God. True.
Umiyak ako dito eh.
I can't listen to that song. Sorry, Darren.
Uulan pa naman.
Let's listen to it.
Mga tipo kanta na ganyan lang ako natin sa window.
Tapos tutulo yung luha. Ganon.
Yan na. Dumadating na yung lungkot ko.
Hoy, wala pang 10 p.m. Nag-relapse na siya.
Siyempre, I'm happy. Uy, may showtime ka daw ba bukas?
Yes, meron. Ayan na, iiyak na siya.
Sige, ina-assure mo ko, I'm gonna find a video of you here.
No, please don't. Don't you dare.
Ano ba yung mga ibang covers mo?
No! Stop!
Yung Ballinger cover.
Ano ba?
Why?
Pangit.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
What? You have Let It Be?
Yeah.
Wow!
Oh my God. Ay, nako, mali yata na sumali ako sa live mo, Wiset.
Ang dami nag-request damn right daw.
Damn right? Ano?
I love this song. Feel mo rin yung mga songs ko.
Ano yung song mo?
Yung Am I in Love?
Ayun.
Yung nahuhulog.
Okay, sige, noted.
O, pag nag-live ka, shoutout mo ko.
Sige. Di, dapat live mo kantahin. Ngayon mo kantahin.
Ay, nako. Hindi ko kaya yun.
Asus.
Kaya naman, pero you have to pay me.
Pay, wow, may TF pala.
Yeah.
Ay, bayaran mo din ako.
Yung gift mo sa akin, ice cream. Ay, hindi. TF mo sa akin. Oh,
Yung ice cream na hindi matuloy-tuloy, oo.
banana Q.
Banana Q? You like banana Q?
I love banana Q.
Okay. Noted.
I love banana Q. I love isaw. I love...
Quack, quack.
Oh, sabay!
Yes.
Yeah, quack. I love quack.
Love quack, quack.
Sino daw yung nag-LQ? Ikaw na sumugot niyan.
Ayoko, alam nila yan.
Sino ba nag-LQ? I don't know.
Ha? Wag na. Alam na nila yan.
That's so true. I love. Wow. Yun, no?
Kanta mo naman, uy.
Ha?
Oo nga. Kanta ka
Ah,
na.
sige,
Kanta
sige.
mo.
Kanta ka, wait lang. Ikaw, ayaw mo kumanta?
Ha?
Ayaw mo kumanta?
Ha? Hindi, rest mo na.
We should both go to Davao soon. Grabe yung fans doon.
I know. I love Davao.
Sobrang, that was the first time. The mall was so full. Grabe. Kami,
First time mo sa Davao?
Me and Charlie were like, wow. Grabe, ang dami pumunta. Kaya we're so thankful.
Aww. Happy for the both of you. More to come. Marami pa yan. More to come.
Ito. Do you know the song?
That's my baby. She's iconic. iPhone keys.
No, I don't know this one.
You don't know the song?
No.
It's comedy, just talk it out, my baby.
Wala, kailangan ko na kumain ng marami. Ang dami ko kinain ngayon, parang payat ko pa rin. Oh.
It's hard to face. Like water.
Growing boy. Aww.
Lucky for you.
What? Good for you. Hindi naman kita ate ah.
Just turn into me. Cry on my shoulder whenever you need.
Near lang.
Si AZ daw.
I can know all the way.
Ano sabi nila?
Prank call daw natin si AZ.
Prank call AZ. How are we gonna prank call AZ?
Prank call.
Si Will nandito
Ano ba
kanina eh.
Ha?
Si Will nandito kanina.
Hindi na inviting.
Will!
Will. Nandiyan ka pa ba?
Will. Oh my days. I think my sister's here.
Ooh.
Hello, sister.
Okay, magalala guys. Magano na ako. Workout for me, workout. Pam. Oh my gosh. Ang dami po nanonood. Thank you. Wait then. I can hear your PC.
What? Me?
Yeah.
No, that's the sound of the rain sa labas.
Have you just been at home all day?
Okay, stretching yourself.
Yeah, it's been a rest day today.
Chill. Pahinga.
Pahinga.
Bakit?
Hindi, bukas she's busy rin eh.
Wow.
Grabe no?
Kasi?
The votings from Maya.
Wow. Yan na yung sando mo.
Nag-post na ako, Kira, yung yung mga edits. Ay, yung edits tuloy. Yung sa
Which
Instagram.
one?
No, you commented.
Ah, yung collage.
Oh.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga nung sa'yo eh. It's so organized.
I did it so randomly though. Hindi ko na ayos. Happy naman. Hey.
Oh, wow. Alfonso nasa ano?
Mm.
Ano yan?
Ano daw yung favorite memory mo sa BBB? Ay, memory mo sa house.
Yeah. Ikaw muna.
Honest that naman. I loved it all. But I always say it, di ba? Namimiss ko lang yung whenever you wake up and we see each other, everyone.
I know. Tapos good morning, tapos sabay-sabay magtutoothbrush. For the memes yun, sobra. No, I miss the garden the most.
Oh yeah.
That's where we used to play, tapos ang daming heart-to-heart doon.
Kakamiss.
Yun na, nagre-relapse na siya, oh. Relapse.
Nakakamiss yung loob, di ba?
Oh yeah,
I
sobra.
really do miss it. I can't lie. Na-enjoy ko yun. Invite Charlie.
Chole!
Charlie.
Is she watching ba?
I don't think so.
Tawagan mo si Charlie.
Pero, wait lang. Hindi natin sasagot siya. She was messaging me kanina eh.
Talaga?
Ako rin po stranded here. It's so grabe yung baha.
Saan ka? Ano?
Alam ko lang yung lahat.
You're stranded?
Alam mo ang location ko.
Ano?
Gusto mo malaman location ko.
So I thought you were at home.
No, I'm kidding. I'm here in Commonwealth.
Okay.
Dito ako sa Commonwealth ngayon. Sa mga taga-Commonwealth dyan, ingat po tayong lahat. And everyone.
Baha na.
Oo, nagbaha. Especially yesterday. Pero buti nga ngayon, bumaba na kahit papaano.
True.
Oo. Ay, gusto ko pa talagang bumalik ng Tagum. I loved it. Pero grabe yung baha recently, Kira. They opened the dams. Eh kasi diba, yung Lamesa Dam, lahat yan. Pag in-open yun, grabe yung baha niyan.
Tapos ang bilis, no? Ang bilis tumaas ng tubig pag inopen.
Ay.
Huh? No, I'm gonna... Yo, Josh.
Okay. Ito na siya sa kapatid niya.
Go.
Oh well. Nathan, I have a friend here from the UK.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? Nathan, you're still here. Oh, Nathan's not here anymore.
Oh, no.
Let me check. Oh, I think some of our editors are here. Hello.
Si Yash.
Yash,
Diba?
YVO. Nandito sila. Oh.
I love her edits. So funny.
Ang galing, no? Wala, hindi ka na nag-co-host. Co-host ka para nakapag-hi ka.
Okay na ako. From
Shout out.
England, Wales. Can I get a hi, mate?
Sabi? Hello. And people watching Portsmouth. Sabi, hello. Oh, that's nice.
Ako, I'm watching from Dubai.
Wow. Ako, I'm watching from the UK.
Wow.
Live. Live from the UK.
Live from the UK.
Yeah. Ano
Is
ba?
it summer over there now? Tama ba?
Ano ba ngayon? July. Yes, summer na.
Summer.
Summer na. Na-golf ako. Golf fit. Ano nga sinasabi? Ay sang, wag na lang kaya sa Tagum. Ano ba yan? Hi, Shroom! Hey, Jonas, what's up? Hello, hello. How, yun lang, kasi pag pinarang ko sa AZ, matatapos tong live na to. I only have one phone eh.
Oh.
So I don't know how to prank call AZ. Paano ba? Cry on my shoulder.
Use spouse phone. Joke. Wag.
Sagutin mo lang walang number si ano eh. What's this one? Oh, my mom's on Google. Wow.
Tita talaga.
Hi. Mo sent. Hi. Hello. Everybody. Kahit sa Davao, sa Tagum, there's Team Kishes, Team
I
Koshi.
know. I saw. Dami nga nila. Nakaka-happy.
Sobra. Grabe. I didn't expect paglabas ko. Sabi ko, wow, ang daming tao. I was like, okay. Kagaling ako. Kailangan galingan.
Kinabahan ka ba?
Nung paglabas, hindi naman. Pero pagka tayo ko sa stage, sabi ko, wow.
Nanibago ka.
Oo. Pero nakakatuwa.
Mm-mm.
Thankful.
Pinanood kita dun eh.
And I saw your awarding. Wow.
Oh my God, bro.
I was supposed to be there. Ay, oo nga. Next time.
Yeah. Next time.
I was supposed to be there too.
Alam mo, nasa script yung pangalan ni Michael at saka ni Vince. Tapos, pag-open ko ng social media, nakita ko, ay, nandun pala sila sa ASG. Oh my God.
I was supposed to be there nga rin, sayang.
Sayang naman. No, that was your Davao thing nga, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ang daming ang plans nung araw na yun eh. May All-Star Games, may Davao, tapos merong awards.
Di ba? Daming
I
ganun.
haven't been to Davao in like so long, kaya it was really fun.
Mm-mm.
At sumama ka na. Davao.
Wow. Next time.
Guess what I'm playing right now?
What you're playing right now?
I'm playing a game right now.
I have no idea what you're playing.
You know Snake?
No.
Hindi mo alam Snake?
Hello.
Oh, he's back.
The slow snake one.
No. Hindi ko alam eh. Play a game mo, wala. I'll show you.
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
You play.
Oh, wala na siya. This one?
Oh, I know that. Yeah.
Okay, sige. Alis tayo dyan. I got a high score.
So that's the
30.
type of games you like playing.
You're so gamer eh. I'm not a
No.
player.
Sakto lang. Wow, he's not a player daw.
I play games, but I'm not a player.
Okay.
Yeah. That one I agree.
You agree?
Mag-code ka naman.
COD?
Yeah.
Soon.
Soon. Laro tayo nila AZ.
May nagsabi dito. Wow. Tinitingnan ko lang yung mga comments.
You don't play 2K, Josh?
I do, but not that well. Parang laro-laro lang. May gusto na mag-hi sa'yo, bro. Hi ka lang.
Sino? Sorry. That's so awkward, bro.
And then, may nagtanong eh, who is your friend? Pinapa-on cam ka nila.
Mga Kira.
Ayoko. Okay na ako.
Kuya Paolo. Wow.
Oh.
Guys, follow him rin daw. Thank you for the gifts. Gusto ko mag-Cebu. That's one place I wanna go to again. Cebu.
Me too. I wanna swim with the whale sharks.
Me too. Tapos Oslo, di ba?
Kaso nakakatakot.
Yeah.
Pero sobrang early nun. Pero mo, may natutunan ako sa when I went to Davao. Gihugugma ko kamong tanan. Tama po ba yun, yung mga taga Visayas dyan? Tama po ba? Gihigugma ko kamong
Mindanao.
tanan. Oh yeah, Mindanao, from Tagum.
Ginoogle Translate mo lang ngayon, no?
Gihugugma. Basta, tama yun. I have a video. They told me what it is. Parang I love you all, something like that.
Yes, tama.
Pero Google Translate ko right now. Para hindi ako
Oh,
mapahiya.
diba?
Yeah. Gihugugma.
Gihigugma ko kamutanan.
Yeah. Uy, ginugol mo rin eh.
Hindi, binasa ko yung comments.
Wow. Parang gusto ko mag-prank lah. Once I get a new phone, guys. But, tagal pa siguro yun. How many phones do you have?
Me? Ito lang.
Ako rin, isa lang. I know people have 4. I'm like, you have 4 phones?
Bro, how? I have no idea how they managed to.
Kahit nga 2
Diba?
phones, hindi ko kaya eh. Mhm. Oh well. Ay, si sweet naman ng mga comment.
Ayoko mag-baby talk. May nag-comment mag-baby talk daw
Sabi
ako.
mo baby talk?
Oo. Ayoko. No.
Nako. Nag-baby talk ka ba?
Ha?
Nag-baby talk ka ba? Parang ang dami mo mang baby talk actually.
No.
Baby talk. Ako hindi ako nag-baby talk eh.
Yeah, you don't. Boring.
Or maybe I do. Ikaw ba bro? Nag-baby talk? Nag-baby talk ka ba bro?
Why no?
Ha? Ay, hindi ka nag-baby talk.
Oh, sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
When I feel like, you know, yung ano.
O, diba? At least honest si Pao.
Nag-baby talk na ba ako? Huwag mo sabihin ha. Nag-baby talk na ba? Feeling ko
Feeling ko si Josh na yun.
Huh?
Parati yan.
Uy, hindi mo na ako nag-baby talk bro. Maybe. Maybe lang, maybe. So.
Wait lang. Joshi, I'll go na, ha?
Alright.
Baba na ako. Thanks for having me, though. Nung gulo ako saglit.
Ingat ka.
You too, please.
I'll see you soon. Good luck.
Bye. And thank you.
Alright.
Bye, Pao. Ingat kayo, ah.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Yun lang, may gusto akong i-add dito. Hindi natin ko papahayag siya.
Sino?
My sister. She's watching it. Pag ikaw, ako very protective ako sa sister.
Yeah,
But
very.
let's see if she'll join. What if which one it is? If it's Caitlyn or Shania?
Hello, sis.
Yes po, I went to the Rotary for Mommy Ray, for Beauty Derm. Wala na po siya eh, umalis na.
Gala.
She's not joining. Just join!
Text mo kasi.
Nasa Shania or Caitlyn. Kahit wag mo na, kahit hindi na camera. Sino ba? Is that Shania or Caitlyn? I don't know eh. Kuya, ano po yung kinanta mo nung nag-entrance ka sa Tagum? Wag na lang kaya by True Faith.
Sing a part.
Wag na lang kaya. That was my entrance, bro.
How do you feel when you like went out? When you went out and then you saw so much people.
Grabe, bro. I don't know. Alam mo, hindi ko talaga in-expect na sobrang daming tao yun nandun.
You went na?
Yeah. Kasi before, I mean, I used to do more shows and stuff. Pero paglabas ko na, I saw my stuff sa mga posters. Grabe.
Congrats, man.
Nakakagulat na talaga yung pagmamahal nila. Ninyong lahat, guys. Thank you.
Do you still get nervous?
Thank you so much. Oo, bro. Sobrang kabado pa rin. I still get, syempre, butterflies sa tummy. Kabado. Pero,
Butterflies.
na-enjoy naman.
Kay Kira may butterflies.
Boy! Hindi. Sa mall show meron, no? May edit nila yun, dude.
Ano yan?
Kato na sabihin mo, ang galing nila. Ang galing niyo po. Hi Josh, favorite ka na ng anak ko. Donut. Yes po, Mommy ni Chino. Hello si Chino. Thank you. Yung donut, oo. May unan ba tayo? Hindi, unan dito eh. Hindi ko may ikot yan. Parang mahirap eh. Kaya to? Guys, so, I'll try to spin this for you. Kaya ba to? Wait lang. Kailangan practice. Bro, ano na to eh? Dumali yung unan na yun. Pag flat, kaya po.
Soft kasi yung pelo. Yung basketball, kaya mo.
Hindi pa nga eh. I wanna try it.
Pero sa donut.
But the donut pillow, I can. Wait a second.
Ayaw na.
Ayaw mo niya mag-join ano.
Pero,
Guys, thank you for having me, Tagum. Grabe. I wanna go back. Na-enjoy ko ng sobra.
what's the...
Sana na-enjoy niyo rin po.
Is there like a
Yes, sir.
national dish there? Sa Davao? Like a famous... Like a dish just like known in Davao?
May kinain kami, bro. Ito. Hindi, alam ko, pomelo is really famous there. Pomelo. Nabigyan ako ng pomelo.
Di ba, no?
Kaya thank
Durian.
you.
Is it popular?
Oh, but I went to Tagum. Sa second hour away from Davao.
Mm.
1 million likes, guys. Thank you.
Wow. Damn.
Thank you. Ikaw, play ka sa anong song, bro? Kahit ano.
So guys, si DJ Paolo.
Dati, bro, nagano ako. I did a live here. Tapos random, pinayagan kong may pumasok. Tapos may pumasok galing America. It was so funny.
Wow, what happened?
Ako ngayon pumelo na sa akin pa. Ano, just a random person. I was like, oh, takot ako eh.
You accepted it ba?
Na-excited naman, yeah.
Ito. Pwede ba ito?
But, ayun. Open it.
Okay, let's play some OG.
OG songs.
OG Filipino.
Para maging masaya kayo ngayong gabi. Sasayaw daw si Paolo.
Wala.
Ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Para masaya po yung gabi nyo. Nako, parang Tito Dance na naman ako.
Face reveal pa. Face reveal.
Face reveal oh. Dahil gagano ka.
Ano? Ano yan?
Ayan na, face reveal oh. Gaya. Hey!
Wala, I'm shy guys eh. I'm shy.
Mayayain to oh.
Mahihain na.
Don't be shy, bro. Everyone here, they're so loving, sobrang bait. Kaya mahal na mahal ko silang lahat, pare. Legit, they're so nice, dude. They're so nice. Sobrang bait nila lahat. Oh, I missed my brother. He went to City Horror. Pero babalik ulit siya para...
Hello,
Guys, magkikita-kita kayo sa August 10. Alright? Manunod kuya ko doon. So sana, manood rin po kayo. Ando kami lahat. Punta ka rin ba doon, bro? August 10 sa Araneta. We have the performance, the FanCon.
Yun.
Oo.
Invite me kasi to one of your events. I'll
Gian.
go. Pero dapat sa Manila lang. Wag naman sa Mindanao.
Hindi, I can bring plus ones though. But I always bring my manager.
Man.
Oo. Oh, I love Mindanao, dude. I love Visayas, Luzon. Si Kira, nasa NV nito? No way. You know what? Talaga ba? Ikaw ang gustong makasama.
Dami na, pupunta sa ano? Birthday ni Kayla?
Mm. Ito. Hello po. No way. You know what? Saan dito? Oh, ano? Dude, that's Kira. What? Oh, ano? Ah, parang dinidate siya here. Oh, wait. Oh, ano? Ayan, guys, oh. Oh, thank you for the corgi. That's a little corgi.
Let's do a fast talk.
Fast talk tayo.
Hindi, ako si ano, si Boy.
Okay. Game.
Wait lang.
Pero good questions, bro.
Hindi,
Game.
mabait naman ako.
Mag-fast talk daw kami.
Wait lang, I'm thinking. Question, I'll search na ng questions.
I was in Davao nung Sunday, kaya di ako naka-attend. Love you guys.
Hindi,
to?
Q&A na lang, Q&A na lang. Ako yung mag-question.
O go Q&A. Mag-Q&A tayo guys, Q&A.
Wait lang.
Pero yung si Paolo magbibigay sa ano, questions.
Ano to? Ano yun? Okay, ito.
Good questions, bro.
Oh. What childhood memory makes you smile?
Ooh. First thing that comes into mind, nung nag-graduate ako from grade 6. My dad was here, my whole family. Nag-graduate ako just sa may DPS.
Yeah.
Tapos, yeah, we ate dinner. I don't know, such a fond memory. So that's what makes me smile. Mga memories.
Wow.
Nice, di ba?
Wow, nice answer, ah.
Oh, ikaw naman tatanungin ko.
Okay.
How do you spend your free time?
Like, pwede hobbies or whatever.
Oh, pwede hobbies.
Usually, I play basketball, golf,
Mm.
dito sa village.
Sa village mo?
Yeah, sa basketball. Or ano, usually, kasi ako, I like watching movies eh.
Yeah.
Mga Adam Sandler. Or, OG na Filipino movies ba yan?
Oh, yeah.
She's Dating the Gangster. Ano?
Good movies, eh?
Ikaw naman. Ito. Because this one I'm curious about also. What drives you to get up every
Oh,
morning?
dude. Siyempre, a better tomorrow, if that makes sense. Siyempre, magandang kinabukasan. Not only for me, but for my family, friends, loved ones. Always doing my best para kinabukasan is brighter than what it is now.
Let's ask them.
Hey, guys.
Guys, ask questions.
Give us questions. Kahit kanino, kahit sa akin or kay Paolo. Hello from Saudi. Hello. Bet mo ba?
Ano yan? Ay, sorry. Oh yes, Kish Dana. Big supporter. Day one.
Josh, spoiler naman sa next project mo, please. Ay! bago pa kasi spoil, pero
Someone asked, is that
there's
Mike?
something cooking up now. Kahit ako hindi ko pa alam yung title, pero sana magustuhan niyo po yung parating. You know,
Ako din, hindi spin
cooking up a movie. Cooking up a movie.
Wow.
You see your joy?
Leon, thank you for the support for Josh.
Yes, yes.
What's my favorite song or movie? Ano sabi?
Song sa'yo, song.
Dream Girl by
Dream Girl.
Kalohe Kai.
Ano?
Yes.
If you were an actor, celebrity, what normal job would you like? I mean, I worked a lot of jobs before. Pero, magusto ko talaga pilot. I think a pilot would be my next dream. Maybe my second dream, yeah. Pero kaya nga nag-iipon ako if ever para, malay mo, pilot and actor, that'd be amazing. So yeah. Thank you for that question, honey baby.
Fonso leaving in 10 minutes.
Okay, wait. So kain muna tayo. Let's have a
You wanna eat?
midnight snack. Wait lang. Kakain na ba?
Yeah.
Sige. Alright guys, we're gonna eat real quick. It's quite late though, 8:50, but parang panggabihan lang.
Ano gusto mo? Jollibee? Ano masarap? Chowking.
Any. McDonald's, bro. Love McDonald's.
So, ano sa McDo, bro?
I love McDonald's, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I love it.
What's your go-to order sa McDo?
Dude. Feel like yung go-to ko talaga. Pero gusto ko yung ano nila. Bago nila yung with the Coke. Share a box with the Coke.
I mean,
Check that out, guys. Sobrang sarap.
Okay na order. Yung McSavers. It's like for 100 pesos. May alaking ka.
Oh,
tas
yeah.
2 rice. 2 kanin. Pero sarap talaga ng nuggets ng McDo.
Oh, I love McDo, bro.
Parang iba eh.
Drive-thru nga lang. Sometimes ngayon, para in a rush, eating burgers tapos fries. Burger. Love you, McDo. Sana. Sana. Pero yeah. Sana guys. McDonald's. Take me. Pero love na love ko yan. Pero sige guys, we're gonna probably order some McDonald's and eat real quick. Kaya we'll see you all. Ingat kayo parate. Stay safe ngayon na lakas ng ulan.
Bye-bye.
Stay indoors, you know, if hindi na kailangan lumabas. And take your vitamins, okay?
Oh, guys.
Alright, we love you guys. Ingat kayo. Thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and have a good night. Stay safe at pray. Always pray.
Paras daw, sabi ni.
Alright. See you guys. Bye-bye. Oh, mag-hello ka muna dyan. Ano daw IG mo, bro?
Ay, I don't run it. Na-joke lang.
Ano daw? TikTok mo na lang, bro.
Ay, yung TikTok na lang is STOPLO. No caps.
STOPLO
May
daw.
video ako dyan with Josh.
Wow. Sige po, tita. Alright. Ingat kayo, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.